Test 1, 2, 3. Hello and welcome to Monday's the 12th of the 3rd, 2012 FTSE 100 market review. Today's been quite tricky. It's been a real test, but one of the things you have to be aware of if you trade any market regularly, the same market over day in day out, that you get good days and you get bad days, and one of the key skills is learning the difference between the two. Again, it's something you can't learn in a book, and it just takes time. So today, the open was flat, and we traded the DAX open. We're covering for a friend of ours that normally is on the microphone for 7, looking to take a fairly quick momentum move, but the market was flat, and the FTSE open was flat. So we didn't. In fact, we were only on the microphone for about 10 minutes on the FTSE open, and we missed this here. Again, you've no idea that 5860 is going to hold, but this setup here is valid one-legged man, and that turns with momentum. But we missed all this because we were having a coffee at the time. But anyway, it was just the price action. There's no news out this morning either, which doesn't help. No valid crisp pullbacks in all this. So again, unless you were just you were on a small, this is a 5-minute chart I think, or it might be a 3-minute, I can't remember. Unless you were just take the cross and go long, then you can't really justify getting into any of this. Now 90 is a level that we were interested in, and we called this on the Twitter this morning. 90, if you look at the charts, has been a level we've been interested in for last week. Price comes up, that was a valid entry. Again, we missed that. After that's nothing to do. There's some people were trying to trade this, which is fine. That's no problem. It comes down, chops around, nothing to do, and we actually got a bit. Well, I wouldn't say bored is the wrong word. We were as the market's not made a new high. We were hoping and thinking and probably praying, because we shouldn't have really been doing this, but in hindsight, it's easy to realise you shouldn't be doing it. We were expecting the market to come down and test 60 level, so we actually took a short at 75, and again we put it on our room and Twitter based on the market goes down, doesn't want to go any lower, and it did here, which invalidates the setup with hindsight, so we shouldn't really done it. But anyway, I'll come on to that in a minute. Market goes down, doesn't want to go lower, goes down, don't want to go any lower, goes down, doesn't want to go any lower, and then it did, and we got stopped. So we went short in here, and we got stopped out for 5 pips up here, which was really annoying. But we let our stop get hit. We had a 5-pip stop. It's invalidated our reason for going in. The reason for going in is that the market has tried to break this level a few times. If it can break this level and this level, then we could down to here. It didn't. We got stopped out. And we took it on the chin. And quite a few people we've been helping took it on the chin as well. But you've got to accept these things, because if you'd held, look what happens. You're in a whole load of pain as the market goes back, unless you're very, very small here and you can scale in, but that's quite advanced. And there's no reason, the market's invalidated your reason for being in, even if it did tease us by getting us stopped out here, then coming back down again. So that was it, -5 in this lot. We've got only half a position, then we wait, price comes up, hits 90 again, we bang this short, and again put it on the Twitter and in the room. Got out down here, 11 pips. That covered our loss on this. Same size, so we're effectively up, 5.5 pips. And then you sit and wait. We didn't take this. People were asking, should we take this again? And we went no, because it's one. Well, even if you call this 2, 3 times, it's the 4th time it's gone into this area. And a couple of people did try and short this, but we didn't see the price action setting up. So we did say that if you're going to short this, then you need to have a stop above 0.0, and a few people got stopped out, which was frustrating. We didn't take it. We did post we didn't want to take it. Then we took this up here at 0.0. Excuse me. And we quite expected. We like to see price action into these levels. We don't see price like this drifter. We like to see this candle, but getting a gap and then this spike up was again not something we like to see. So we went in a small position up here based on that, we'll add on 10 and add at 20. And again, that might sound alien to a few people, but as long as you keep your risk reward the same, then it doesn't matter, whatever you do. That's all risk and reward. Yeah. And then price sells off, comes back up, tests, fails, and we got out down here for 8 pips, and that's us done for the day. So scrappy, really scrappy day. But the good news is that after a scrappy day, the markets tend to be easier the next day. So we're hoping for a pull up to 20 or even to 50, and we'll short. We're back into the old established range for the last couple of months. So we're looking to play the highs and I'll sell the highs and buy the lows. So that's it. Just quick today. Very tricky. If you made money today, you did well. There's quite a few people got stopped out on various positions today. So well done. I'll come back tomorrow and do it all again. As usual, got the 3 W's back now. Let's come back off holiday. So on the website, on our Twitter feed, or just send us an email. And trade safe. And thanks very much for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow.